Good day, thinkers and tinkerers. Today we will try to assemble the Winterstorm guitar. So first we have to clear out the glue. Here is some. Here, I think not to take out the wood because it will go back to the place it was meant to. And we will use this clamp that we fabricated to put inside to hold everything in place under the brackets. I'm using my trusted face finder to clear out the glue, and it is the best tool for non-invasive operation. On the Christmas Eve, in the afternoon prior to the Eve, we will try to work some magic, Christmas magic, with this glue and to try to restore the guitar to a working condition. We will try not to destroy the wood, only the glue. It's moving, so we have to glue it and to try to reinforce the whole structure underneath. We will use this C200. This is a special wood glue which is very popular in Bulgaria. The deck is completely destroyed. It is out. We have our clamp. These are the new bolts that we'll be using, and after we put some glue here in the gaps, we'll clamp all this together and hope for the best. There is no glue on this side, only remains from the wood that was part of the deck. C2000 is very strong glue, and before it cures you can dilute it with water. We'll try to put some glue on the missing parts. After this glue cures, it makes a transparent pattern, and you can wipe it until it cures. You can wipe it with wipe. The good thing about this glue is that it makes a transparent finish, and also you can wipe the remains with a soft cloth. Of course, we have to clamp all this thing down, and this is the main purpose of the clamp that we fabricated to hold the whole assembly in place. I'm applying a substantial amount of glue. It cures for about 24 hours, So it's nothing that is in a hurry. Once we clamp it down, we will wipe the excess which is on the edges. And stay something like this, and we will put the new bolts, hopefully like this. And now we have to install this whole clamp inside. We take the nuts from previous bolts, we put this under the brackets, brace yourself. Now we will put the next one. And hopefully it will reach the hole in the bracket, and the bracket will stay on the brace. Okay, it's in exactly the place. We take the nut and we have the inner bracket steady on the braces. I can feel this and here. Okay, and we have the bridge holder steady on the deck. Now all we have to do is to apply some pressure and hopefully the glue will take the other work that is required for this construction. Next we have to wait 24 hours and hopefully we will try to apply the strings on this pulley. I think it's already caved in and return to its original position like was supposed to be. I'm not trustworthy of the material that the deck holder is made of, so I will not apply more pressure. It's actually lifted on this side. One edge of the bridge holder was lifted, so I ended up clamping it. The clamps will hold it together, and once it's cured, we will clear the glue. Usually the glue takes about 24 hours to cure, and I gave him additionally 24 hours, so 2 days later we are about to unclamp the contraption and to see if there is hope in this universe. I will not be going to great lengths. I will just wipe the thing and I will leave the embellishment to the hopeful working guitar owner. the strings, you pull this backwards, and I'm hoping that this will be somewhat a working guitar. At least it will be better working than previously. So now is the time to bring back the strings. I'll go fetch them and I will try to string it up and see if we can achieve some sounds. Of course, the whole construction will need to settle down. So in any case, even if we tune it today, the best case will be to retune it tomorrow and to hope for the best. We will let it rest for the evening, and tomorrow morning we will retune it and hopefully it would hold the tune. And this is the next morning. Here we are on our questionable guitar repair guide 101. First thing, we have to see if it's holding tune. This one is not so in tune. We'll retune it. The action is good. I mean, it's acceptable. And immediately I will tell you that we have some issues that I came across. Some things that we have to say about this project. So the guitar is a guitar when the 12 frets meets the string at the middle. You can check this with the Foggioletto. This is basically when you don't press the fret, just tap the string at the middle and then press it, and you have to get the same tone. This is okay here, somewhat. This is okay. Okay. This is not good. I broke the first string, so it may be because of the string. I used some string from my stash, but it's very old and oxidized. But in any case, this means usually that the scale length of the string has to be shortened because the note that we get is lower. It's too long for the mid of the string. One way to address this is by the bridge. I don't know if you can do it by the nut, but I'm not doing this. This is enough work that I have put into this one. I leave some detailing around the neck to be done by the owner, and also I'd recommend to change first the first string And if you want to make the intonation right, either have to buy a new bridge or try to work this one, which is in plastic and not actually very manageable. All in all, we have brought this wall hanger type of guitar back to a workable condition, and I think this is what is best that we can do for it. Let's see how it goes after the repair. Sounds good. Surprisingly good. Pause the tune. This is the only thing that bothers me, and it has to be corrected with the bridge, but I'm leaving this for the next tinkerer, and I think this is a success because it was a wall hanger guitar, and now it will not be hung on the wall, it will be used, and if possible always recycle, repair things. They don't need to go to the landfill if we can use them. Thank you very much. This was a Winter Storm.